Hey guys, how are you? This is Yogesh with a new tutorial on AutoCAD. In this video, I will show you simple commands and how to begin a drawing in AutoCAD or how to start an AutoCAD. Okay, guys. So firstly, after opening AutoCAD window, you will find that home panel. The home panel is a main panel in AutoCAD which describes your line, polylines, circles, arcs, and other drafting commands and functions. So okay guys, so firstly we start with line command. The line command is the most important command in AutoCAD to start a drawing or anything you want to draw. For starting a line, you can click simply line, or you can type line. Okay guys, if you want to type a line, click enter. After enter, it may specify first point. You can specify first point by clicking anywhere in the window, or you can by using a coordinates. If you are a civil engineer or mechanical engineer, you must know how to use coordinates in AutoCAD. So simply 0 comma 0. I will say that the coordinates will be x-axis will be 0 and y-axis will be 0. So it comes there. You can find that is the x and y coordinates 0. For firstly, second, I want a straight line, then this is not a straight line. If I take there, it may be then an error. So I use auto command. You can find auto from there, or you can simply press F8. Click on auto mode. It make line straight, which can be used in anything. The line will be a 90-degree angle. Okay, this is firstly line command. Polyline. The polyline has many functions. You can make a create 2D polyline and edit them, or you can make any. But difference between line and polyline is that the line has different types of points, like one line there, second line there, and third line there. But in polyline, if you choose polyline, so it may take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the all the line remains in one point. You can say that the all line is filled with a simple line. Okay guys, there are two commands polyline. The third which is used by using a circle. There are many circle. You can see circle radius, center diameter 2.3.10, radius 10 10 10. The center radius. If you want to draw one circle, simply here a circle. Special center point. You can make center point even there, and you can define the radius. I will take the radius of 10. So this is a circle with a radius of 10. Okay guys. Third, arc command. Arc is also used to make an arc. I will show you different command later at due to course of time. At a due course, then it was rectangle, polygon, and many other things. But simply, what is the important command is AutoCAD to use layer. If you want to give a presentation to our clients, or you can or you want to create your drawing more fascinate or to able or to discuss with your friends, so the layer command is more useful. The layer gives us a property to different the object and the pro and the drawings in a different manner. So firstly, for using layer, you must go for a layer properties. Okay, if you want to type LA. L is for layer. When you click layer, the window will open. That okay guys, the window has opened. You say that this is all use layer there with a zero layer with a white color, which we can use. Create, simply click there, new property, simply click there, new layer, alt and this is the property manager. You must click there, new layer, alt plus n. We want to draw simply wall, so I will take wall. Okay, this was on. I will choose color yellow. But continuous, you can also define the line type. I will show you later how to use different. We use default line which is used by which is 0.0 mm. Okay, play okay. And after selecting these, you must double click there to select this layer. And you can see that there are a wall layer we have selected, or you can select from there or there. Okay guys, I want to draw a wall. We draw a wall with line command. First point, second point, third point. Say all the line come in the yellow color, which is if you click there, you can find that this is a line which is line color by layer wall. You can say that this layer is known for a wall. If I want to do another other object, I will same type LA layer, new layer. I want to do wall, inner wall. I will say I will give red color which is high. Select that, click close. By using this layer command, I make inner layers like L line. From there I will dot there, I will dot there, I will dot there, and draw there. So guys, there are two different layers we use. This is wall in. Wall in. If I want to edit this wall, if I edit this wall on that side, but that this line also be affected. So I use layer command. I use go layer and click off the this wall. So the wall of the wall layer is going to off, and we can simply edit or merge anything which we want. If you want to on that, simply click on that blub, turn layer on, the layer will turn on. This is a main simple use of layer, but I will show you how to use layer for advanced uses on my next tutorial which I made. Second command, offset command. We people many the most of useful command is offset command. You can find offset command of ticket. This is the create and settle parallel lines with a two. This is type offset you can take from offset there, or you can simply say offset. So we offset distance. We distance give the 5 mm, and you can find it this 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 this. Okay guys, this is simply offset command which you can do to run, or you can simply make if I take a wall in and I want offset, I want to take offset of 0.5, then I will make there 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 and there. Okay guys, this is simply offset command which is used to double the line, or you can say to make a wall of 9 inches or anything you want to draw. Third command is a main important command is fillet. Fillet is my favorite command which is used. If you want to take two lines, then click there and the line have been joined. Click there. Use space bar to use recent commands. This is a tip. Okay guys, and you can sim there and there also erase that which I use not, which we are able to use. Okay guys, this is simply a offset command. And third command is if you amp leader command. I will already show previous video, you can watch there to show how to use the amp leader command. And also dimension, I also use dimension in my previous video. You can watch it, also give a tutorial, but I will also show you dimension this. If you want to do dimension for the first point, second point, I use simply dimension of 5, 5 inch or 5 units, then give that which you also find from 5. It is 0.5 and this is 5.0. Dimension command is mainly used in radius to find a radius of a circle. We can find the radius are 10.000. Okay guys, and this is because of that, because we use var in command and we use 0 command to use our next projects. Okay, simply if you next is there are many you can also lay. I will tell you later that it was a mesh property. If I want to make this layer at this I want to make this wall layer also this wall layer, so I can simply use mesh prop. Mesh prop give you agent source and give it destination, and this wall will go to the wall. You can say this firstly this wall be a wall in, then it will go to the wall layer. Okay, so guys, this is a property by layer. You can change there from the property, you can change then for layer, or you can change from there. Second, this is a basic commands to use in AutoCAD. Second one is insert. You can anything insert single, you can also attach Excel files, attach block or anything, create block. You can also create block if you want to. If you want to create, I want to create a block. I will name I want to use circle because I want to use simply pick point or specify on object. Select object. This was my object. Click right click one object. Select the object, select a description circle of radius 10. Guys, simply I click OK and these are connected to my block. If I want to insert a block, if I want to insert a circle, so it will default select in which I can use circle anytime anywhere in my whole drawing or in my new drawings. Block editor, you can edit this circle which you use when you can circle, change radius, anything you want. Import, you can import anything you want like other CAD files, AutoCAD files, or anything which you want to use. Okay guys, then import field OLE object, OLE is a link or a embedding object. OLE object is like an HTML file used in Excel or any other thing which you can simply insert on that place. Data link is a link displayed by the link manager. You can see CSV, you can see that Excel file like CSV which we use in drawings. You can also use that. Annotate. The annotate is a high, it's the high function in AutoCAD used to demonstrate the drawing or make the enhanced drawing. In you can find dimensions, curves, dimension formulas, and and many other things. Parametric drawing, we will discuss this later on next video because it was a very high concept you can use by layer. But I will show you a simple step. I will show you a simple example. If I use a parallel, this is what a parallel. I can make this select first object, select second object. You know already a parallel in a parallel view. You can find a parallel view, or we can simply click that, that, and that. This is not in parallel, so it will delete this. Okay, guys. It's simple. And what I will show you next video. View, you can want to view cube, you can simply click that the view which you want to show in your report. Manage, and you want to get AutoCAD is set action record. If you want to select an action in AutoCAD, you can also use select this action. Output, you can make the output of any video, any drawing. When you can PDF, current display, override display, extend window, export to a DWS setting or PDF file, which I also add-ins. If you want to add add-ins, so you can simply go sign in there and you can download add-ins for AutoCAD. Orbit 360, it was a new feature introduced by AutoCAD in 2013. I think that. So it is a cloud based. You can simply save your drawing on the cloud, or you can share document with your friends. Express online, express is a main important tool which is I also use. These are a very, you can find break line symbol, which we can use to demonstrate a drawing or to make a hash drawing. Super hatch is a block external reference you can use to annual attachment. You can add attachment URL option if you want to give URL to your drawings. They also use BIM 360. I will give you the feature apps. The app which is featured by Connect to Exchange. Okay guys, this is a simple beginning tutorial of AutoCAD in which you can start your drawing with these functions. Okay guys, and some last tip for my, if you want to zoom your drawing, for zoom drawing, type Z enter and E enter. Z even the zoom extends. If you want to zoom all, Z enter, E enter, zoom all. So guys, it's a very simple use to make your drawing layout. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like my videos. So guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe guys. I will get any subscribe. Please share this video from your friends. If you need any help on this video, you can simply type below on comments, or you can mail me or email me. So guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please subscribe, rate and comment. Have a nice day.